welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be opening all of my subscription boxes from the month of March. I just got all of them in. I get Ipsy, Allure, and Boxycharm. This is my last Ipsy. I know I said that in a million videos, but I officially canceled it. And they keep giving me like free prizes to join back in, but I'm staying strong and not ordering them again because just not happy with what I'm getting. Now watch this one be like amazing. But anyways, so yeah, I usually just do one separate video for each box, but today I thought I would just do all three because they're all three sitting in front of me and see which one is my favorite. We'll do a battle of the subscription boxes. So let's open up our boxes. So first we're going to start with the Allure Beauty box. I just got this. I just got home from work and it was on my doorstep. So I have no idea what's in here. Usually Allure is more skincare. So I'm down with that though. So let's open it up. So I open it up and it looks like this. Do you guys know who this is? Carly Bible. She's one of my favorite YouTubers. So I did watch this video and I forgot this was going to be her box. So basically she chose all the products for the box this month. So let's open it up. So then they have this little card in here. And on the back, you kind of scratch it to see a hint for one of the things that are going to be my May box. I'll do this later. So let's open it up. So like a typical Allure Beauty bag. This one is clear, which I kind of like a lot. Usually they're black or red, stuff like that. So let's open it up. Okay, the first thing I see is a Laura Geller Ink Credible Waterproof Gel Eyeliner Pencil in Rose Gold. It looks like this. A little tip. Let's swatch it. It's really pretty. I don't usually use a lot of things like this, but it is from a good brand. Let's see. Okay, I thought there was something that popped up at the end, but no. So it's just that. It's a really pretty, yeah, like rose gold, but it has more of like a brown to it. I don't know. So that's cool. Oh, and this, I don't know if they have the retail prices in here. Yes, this retails for $22. Next, we got a brush. I love getting brushes. This is a Luxie brush. It is a 2-3-1 small tapered blending brush. Ooh, that's so soft. And then it's like a really pretty pink handle. I've heard a lot of people talk about these Luxie brushes, so I'm excited about this one. This one is $12. And then there's also like a code in the booklet, so if you did get this, you can definitely go use the discount. But yeah, it's super soft, so I'll be adding that right here. Now, this is the thing I'm most excited about. A Natasha Denona eyeshadow. Oh my god, I've always wanted to try her eyeshadows, but I am never going to be spending hundreds and hundreds of dollars on one eyeshadow palette. I just heard they're amazing, so it looks like this. And the shade is Aubade, A-U-B-A-D-E. Ooh, that is so pretty. Really pretty, like gold. Oh, it's so soft. Oh, I love that. And like I said, it's very, very sturdy. It's like a really nice plastic and it's very thick. You can also depot this, so you can just take the eyeshadow out and put it like in a Z palette, but I don't have any of those and I'm scared to depot anything. So I'm going to keep it like this, but I'm really excited about that. And this retails for $27 for one eyeshadow. $27. Next, we have this little hair care product. It's a Briogeo Farewell Frizz Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protectant Cream. So let's see, what do I do with this? After towel drying, run a dime size amount through your damp hair, blow dry with paddle brush, and left with a silky frizz-free blowout that leaves until I'm ready to wash my hair again. I don't blow dry my hair a lot. This smells so good. It smells like candy. But when I do, it's usually like to straighten or curl my hair. Usually I just leave it like natural like this. So, I mean, if Carly swears by this, her hair is beautiful, I'll try it out. This retails for $24, by the way. An Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Pure Hollywood. I don't have this one. Ooh, I'm excited. Ooh, Allure's doing good this month. Usually it's a lot of skincare, but no, they have a lot of makeup. Probably because Carly chose it because she like loves makeup, but ooh. I'm going to put it on. Let me just put this on. So here's the color. It's a really pretty nude. I think I really like it. Ooh, I really like this color. It's like a very pinky nude, but I love that. And this retails for $20. So I'm just really impressed with all of this so far. And there's one more product. It is the phenomenal Vita La Brita Advanced Organics Phenomenal Organic Tan Infused Cloth. So it looks like this. Try and see how we work with this. Like, stuff like this makes me nervous. She says that there is 2 separate cloths, so it's 2 separate tanning cloths in here, and then to cover like your whole body, you just use both of the cloths. And she says that she does it once every 2 weeks. So she says there's no streaking or anything like that. I get nervous about stuff like this, but I do love being tan, and I have like this tanning lotion that I use sometimes, so maybe I'll try this out. So yeah, maybe next time you'll see me, I'll be like super tan. Okay, so that is everything that in the Allure bag. Yes, I love it. This is one of the best ones I think we've gotten. So I'm really excited about this one, and I will leave like the total for each box on the screen. But yeah, Allure's gonna be tough to beat this month. So let's get into the next one. Let's jump into my Ipsy bag, my last one, for real, my last one, and see what we have in here. So the first thing I see, well, come on, this bag is so cute. Oh, that's so cute. It's so, like, I keep all of like these bags from like Ipsy or Boxycharm or Sephora Play when I got that one. I keep all the bags because they're so good to travel with, and I'm going to be loving up on this one. So this is the bag, and then it comes with the product on the outside. So let's just open this one first. So it is 2 face masks, Dr. Huang Beauty Lab. The first one is a red fruits brightening mask. Looks like this. And the claims are uneven skin tone, dryness, and dullness, uneven texture, which is great. And then the next one is, they're both vegan approved. I don't know if I said that. This one is a broccoli pumping mask. Signs of aging, tired skin, and lack of vitality. It's from the same brand. So this is definitely a Korean, I think Korean skin brand. Yeah, made in Korea. Korean skin brand, because all of the back is not in English, which is fine. I've heard a lot of good things about Korean skincare products. So I'm really excited to try that. I love getting masks in my boxes because every Sunday night I do a mask for myself just to kind of start off the week right. So I was running low, so now I have 2 other masks, and they're super cute, like the little packaging, so that's good. Let's open the cute bag. It's looking a little bit, not much in here this time, so let's get into it. The first thing I see is an Ico London Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner. Here is the eyeliner, very, very small. Felt tip, so let's swatch it. Pretty black, so that's pretty good. And it's if it's as good and doesn't run and it's super black, this will be good to travel with because it's so tiny. So yeah, this is okay. Next thing I see is a Moods by Laura Sanchez. This reminds me of Benefit, so let's look. Oh, it's an eyeshadow. Really pretty green. It reminds me of the green that I got a couple months ago. But look how cool this is. That's so cool. Let's swatch this green. It's in the shade Martini Olive Green. Looks like that. It's hard to do it right next to the Natasha Denona because how do you even compare to that? But it's okay. I think the packaging's so cute. I don't know how much I would use a green eyeshadow, but it's really cute to have, and yeah, it's fine. Ooh, I got another brush. This one is by Basanti, and it is a contour eyeshadow blended out brush. This one feels a little cheaper than the Luxie brush, but it's very lightweight, which makes it easier to kind of blend everything out. Really pretty gray packaging, and it's a very soft brush as well. So I love getting brushes, so I'm not going to complain about that. The last thing is a Tarte Base Tape Hydrating Primer. So it looks like that. And then it is very hydrating. Oh, it smells really good. So this is kind of a tiny sample, but I like trying out things like this. So yeah, and that's the end of the Ipsy bag. I definitely like Allure better, but this one was not bad. Compared to the ones I've gotten before, this one's not bad. I got 2 face masks, an eyeliner, a brush, an eyeshadow, and a primer. So that is not bad. So we're doing good this month. Okay, the last one, I'm not going to lie, I peaked because I've been so excited to get this Boxycharm. So excited. So let's just jump into it. I've seen pictures and videos about this one, so I'm sure you guys have too, so it's not going to be a surprise, but Boxycharm kills it. Peace, Love, and Boxy, that's the little card we got. And then they have all the products on the back. So the first thing I see is this Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. Packaging is so pretty. Let's open it up. And I've heard about these powders. Looks like this. Let's open it up. And then it has like a little sifter. And the shade is Summer Haze. So let's see how you're supposed to use this. It's all natural, vegan, and cruelty-free loose powder. Highlight that can be used on the eyes, lips, face, and body. The formula is highly pigmented and suitable for all skin tones to create a subtle, luminous finish or layer on for unreal glow. I don't know how to... Okay. I'll have to like insert a picture of a swatch or something. Okay, so it's like a really pretty gold shade. So I'll have to find a swatch of this or something because I can't do this. But the packaging is really pretty, and this retails for $27. The next thing I see is a Steve Laurent lip gloss. It retails for $22. Let's please be a pretty shade. Please, I forget what this looks like. Ooh, really pretty nude with some gold in it. 1 part balm and 3 parts silk. Let's see. I'll put it on top of the Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick that I got, and let's see how this looks. This isn't sticky or anything. Oh, I love this a lot. And like I said, this retails for $22. It's not sticky. It smells like cupcakes or like frosting, and it's in the shade Champagne. So yeah, I think that's so pretty. Next thing are 3 Luxie brushes, and this is their Summer Days 3-piece set, and it retails for $28. So they're all pink. They have like a little yellow, orange to yellow bottom. They look like this. So this is this can be like a concealer brush. Yeah, packing it under your eye. Or kind of smudging eyeshadow. It's kind of big for that. This one right here will be perfect for packing eyeshadow on top of your eye or cutting your crease. So this would be a really good brush for that. And this one, I would probably use this for contouring, like right in there. It's really pretty actually. So I got 5 brushes this month. That's so great. So yeah, I love getting brushes. We're not even close to being done. So I love Boxycharm. So the next thing I have is this Beauty For Real Finish Line 24/7 liquid eyeliner in jet black. Really cute packaging. So it says like it is Finish Line. This retails for $16. So we'll compare it to this eyeliner we got from Ipsy. Oh, okay. So it is a little bit blacker and it's a little bit thicker. It is also a felt tip. It's like a little pen, but I love eyeliners like that feel like a pen. So I feel like it's really easy for me to draw the wing. So I'm excited about that. And guys, the finale, the thing that we've all been waiting for, a pure eyeshadow palette. This retails for $36. I'm so excited because I have never owned any pure anything. So I'm just excited. It's their Festival palette, and it has 12 pressed pigment palette. So when I open it up, there's something that comes inside. It's an eyeshadow primer. So I probably won't use this, but it's kind of cool that they put that in there. So this is what the packaging looks like. So cute. Like perfect timing for this to come out in this box. With Coachella and everything. It has a bright mirror. And then look. Oh my god, they're so pretty. So there's some you know, neutral shades right here that you can kind of use. And there's also like these fun pops of colors. And then these eyeshadows on the side, they're very glittery. I already swatched this one, so I'll show you. But they're so pretty. They're more of like a glitter, as you can see. That's okay. So there is 6 shimmers, 4 mattes, and these 2 really pretty glitter shades. So with a mirror, this is just so pretty, and I'm just so glad they could put that in there. Like, I could even do like a simple everyday look with like these, like a gold pop, you know, like there's so many different ways you could do this, and this mirror is bomb. So wow, this is crazy. Like, all this we got. So we got an eyeshadow palette, an eyeliner, 3 Luxie brushes, a lip gloss, and the Artist Couture highlighter, which I still can't open. But oh, wow, hey, this was a good month for all 3 boxes, really. So obviously I would have to say that Boxycharm is my favorite, but at the same time it is more expensive than the other 2, so I don't really feel like it's fair to pick that one. But if I had, my second favorite would definitely have to be Allure. They killed it this month. So yeah, and Ipsy was fun too. So good job this month. So if you guys like to see more unboxings from me, make sure you subscribe, because I do this every single month, and I kind of like doing all the boxes in one video instead of splitting them up into their own individual video, because they all literally come on the same time. Like Ipsy and Boxycharm came on the same day, and then Allure came today, so like a week after. So might as well just do it all together, and I cannot wait to play with all this makeup. If you want me to post a video of me just using all these products, I will, because it seems doable to do all of these products in one video. So that actually sounds kind of fun. So let me know if you want to see that, and I will film that for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!